So let's show how to use your WordPress website and the prettylinks plugin to create easy to use branded URLs for email or putting on your marketing materials, and that lets you direct people to your site without a funky URL. So you'll want to have the Pretty Links plugin installed, which I'll have a link to in the description. But basically, you head over to where you want to get the link from. We're going to get this link from Amazon for this Samsung 16-inch laptop. So grab the link, copy it, and come back to your website and choose New Pretty Link. Give it a title. I can't spell. Paste in your URL and give it an easy to reference name. So let's just say Samsung Galaxy. And that's as simple as it is. So we'll update it. And now that's out there. And if I come over and put in my web address with the link on the end of it, it takes me to the product page on Amazon, and it's just as easy as that. I use it for my Calendly meetings when I'm booking or if I have a different link for a different type of meeting, I use that. So let's add a new pretty link for my consulting. Let's say 30-minute consulting. Put in my URL for Calendly, and we'll call this Nat 30 minute. Actually, I don't need to do that since that's my web. We'll update it and takes us right to the consulting session where people can book with me, where you can book with me if you want to talk about your website or software that you want to build. This is my entry point consulting. So that is how you use Pretty Links with your WordPress website to add easy to remember URLs with your branded website set up that you can put on your business cards, your advertising materials, QR codes, email links. And instead of the interesting link that you often get from different websites that can be really long, you can give out short, punchy addresses to get your customers where you want them to go. So that's it. Enjoy. I hope you found this helpful. Again, if you want to book with me, my link is in the description below. And I'm happy to sit down with you and help you answer any questions that you have or plan out a strategy for your technology, be it website, software, mobile app, what have you. See you in the next one.